everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Michelle. I'm a wife, a mom, and a pretend chef, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to throw together some really quick, easy, and delicious sweet and spicy chili. Chili is something that you just throw together. It comes together really easy and nicely, and it's just a comfort food that's so good. So if you're interested in learning how to make it, then keep watching. Okay, so I've got my stock pot ready to go here. I've had it sitting on medium-high heat for just a minute or so before I added this ground beef to it. And after you've got your ground beef in the pot, just go ahead and break it up like so. And we're just gonna jump right to it. Go ahead and add in those diced onions and some minced garlic. And then from here, you're just gonna go ahead and stir that up, make sure it's well combined. You want the onions to be well combined with the beef so that every bit of onions and garlic get that seasoning. Alright, so now we're gonna season the ground beef with about 1.5 teaspoons of Tony's Creole seasoning. If you don't have any, don't even worry about it. These are the ingredients to make your own Cajun seasoning. And since this is a sweet and spicy recipe, we are of course going to use some cayenne pepper. I'm using about 1/2 teaspoon, but if you're feeling dangerous and love a good kick, you can double that. And of course you want to stir those spices into your ground beef and let the beef soak in those delicious savory flavors. Believe it or not, you guys, this was the hardest step to the chili recipe, okay? Growing up, I always thought chili was something that was a big ordeal that had to cook all day long. And granted, it is one of those meals that is always better the next day, but hey, this recipe has been a crowd pleaser for me for many of times, alright? So once your ground beef is cooked all the way through, you'll want to go ahead and drain off the fat and just toss it right back into the stock pot. Now, from there, you're going to open up the can of diced tomatoes, pour the whole can in, liquid and everything. Then you're going to do the same with the can of kidney beans, but with these you can go ahead and drain the liquid off. Now dump in your chili packet. Any brand you want to use is totally fine. Just go ahead and sprinkle that over top. And of course, give that a good stir. You want to make sure it's well combined before you move on, okay? Alright, so now I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'm using dark brown sugar. And 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. That is for the thickness, alright? So go ahead and stir that all together really well. And once you've gotten that well combined, you are going to go ahead and add in 1/2 cup of water. And lastly, I'm going to show you my secret special ingredient that will add a little bit of warmth and comfort to this pot of chili goodness. That is cinnamon. And trust me, a little bit of this goes a long way, so one good little sprinkle will do the trick. Now give that a good stir, and you'll want to let it simmer on low heat for about 30 minutes or so. Or if you'd like, it is actually ready to eat at this point, to be honest. If you really want to have a good time, you can top your bowl of chili with sour cream and cheddar cheese, of course. I hope you all enjoyed learning how to make this super easy, sweet and spicy chili. For more delicious, easy recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you enjoyed it. I will see you guys in the next one.